My name is Clayton Balfour. I'm a system integrator here at Eramosa Engineering. Eramosa Engineering is a software automation company. We work mainly in the water and wastewater sector. However, we have since branched out to do a number of projects with Canadian Solar and solar farms throughout Ontario. So Eramosa and Canadian Solar have been working together for the past few years to add SCADA systems to their solar plants throughout Ontario. We were then approached by them to do a more global monitoring, central monitoring platform.
My name is Didier Tevenard. I am the Senior Manager of Monitoring and Analytics at Canadian Solar, and I work in the Operations and Maintenance Division. So Canadian Solar has many lines of business, but one of our lines of business is the operations and maintenance of solar plants. So those are big utility scale plants that produce electricity from the sun. And we operate about 30 of those sites in Ontario, Canada, and in California. And all those different sites have their own SCADA systems. And to monitor them, we needed to connect to each and every single one of them independently. And our vision was to bring all the data from those various sites in just one single platform, to have all our monitoring data in just one place.
I'm Pete Sampson. I work at Eramosa Engineering as a technical group leader and on business development. Canadian Solar employs a variety of roles to achieve their business objectives, from field technicians to data analysts. The owners sometimes want to see asset performance, senior management, people coordinating maintenance, and centralizing all of these services through a single system, which is built on Ignition, has definitely streamlined their processes and increased operational efficiency.
So CSEye is our online cloud-based platform for everything that deals with monitoring, management of operations and maintenance activities, and reporting. Now everybody in our group is using it. So the operators, that's their workhorse, that's what they look at all the time. It's been used by our engineering team to log issues and track work orders, track warranty claims. It's been used by our analysts to do all the reporting and send both the daily reports, monthly reports to clients. And it's even been used by our clients themselves.
So when we were making these screens, we were going for a very simple, streamlined approach. We have the filter panel at the top, which is pre-selected with the regions, portfolios, and sites that user is accustomed to. And on the side we have our navigation bar. The first page to launch is the portfolio overview, which gives a quick summary of all of the sites in that user's portfolio, and it mixes the CMMS maintenance data with the performance data from site. So here you can see the last update was 4 minutes ago for these sites, and status is normal, and there are currently no output from these sites because these are in Japan. After the portfolio overview, we have a map screen. This is a custom module that we developed here at Eramosa that added functionality to the Ignition application. From here you can hover over and get a quick summary of what's going on at that site. The site overview screen here has a lot more detailed information about what's going on at the site. Basically it gives you a daily summary of how well it's doing here in a graph form, and if there's any open events that are occurring at this site. The default view shows the current day, but with our date filter here at the top, we are able to pre-select some of the more common date durations. So for example, here's the last 5 days. So the event overview screen here shows any open or pending events associated with these sites. One of the main features of CSEye is the ability to combine the performance or SCADA data from the sites with the data from their computerized maintenance management solution, or CMMS data. In this case, any alarms that occur at site are automatically turned into pending events. From here, an operator can validate that this is indeed an event and add any additional information to that event. And finally here we have some trend screens which are broken down by type. We have site, weather, inverters, recombiner trend screens. Canadian Solar has been really happy that we've been able to bring all of their data into the central location and optimize it so that they can get the information they want.
Canadian Solar is expanding its global reach, and as they acquire assets and production facilities that were built out by previous owners, they don't always follow the same data formats and the same standards as the Canadian Solar infrastructure. By the application of Ignition Edge and MQTT technologies, we're optimistic we'll be able to leverage existing infrastructure at a reduced cost and bring that data back to Canadian Solar in a meaningful way. Something that's definitely been a benefit to us is we always look to provide best-in-class services to our clients, and for us to have a strong partner in the background, such as inductive automation, providing us technical support at a high level, giving us direct access to marketing materials and being able to know exactly what the roadmap brings, we're able to bring that value to our clients. And in this case, Canadian Solar is positioning themselves to be a leader in operations and management of renewable assets, and they're able to take that to their end clients. So there's benefits right down the whole chain from that type of interaction.